Hey guys, Kyla here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys is another phone review at itong phone review natin guys is napaka-excited ako i-share ito sa inyo kasi ito ang first time na makakapag-phone review tayo sa Honor na brand guys. So itong phone na to guys ay walang iba kundi ang Honor 200 Pro. So kung hindi nyo alam guys, napakaganda nito. Like super solid ito guys. Kung ikaw ay isang gamer, kung ikaw man ay vlogger, kung ikaw man ay mahilig sa mga pictures, sa pag-video, or anything. Basta phone enthusiast ka rin, napaka-perfect ito. So let us find out in this video kung anong meron dito sa Honor 200 Pro. Let's go! Now let us start with the unboxing. Inside the box, we will see here the Honor 200 Pro. It also has a SIM ejector tool, warranty card and quick start guide, a protective case, a Type-C cable, and lastly a 100 watts charger. Up next is the design. For its design guys, it has three colors. So the colors that we have is the Ocean Cyan, Moonlight White, and Black. So ang kulay na meron ako dito guys is the Ocean Cyan. Its design flows like a symphony of waves, a graceful tribute to the elegance of nature. So it has a very elegant design and it is inspired by nature. So katulad nga na nakita nyo guys dyan is parang may mga ocean waves siya dyan. So dito sa Honor 200 Pro guys, it doesn't have an audio jack. So as you can see here, wala siyang audio jack. So kapag may kinig kayo ng mga music, you must have a Type-C earphone or headphones. And then you also need to have a wireless Bluetooth earphones or headphones. At dito sa ating Honor 200 Pro guys, is napaka-thin lang ito siya guys. So the Honor 200 Pro has a 8.2mm ultra thin. And it also has a quad curve floating screen. So dito sa ating Honor 200 Pro guys, it has a curved screen. So if you're going to watch a movie or any videos, you can enjoy a more better viewing experience with the Honor 200 Pro. At itong Honor 200 Pro natin guys, it weighs about 199 grams. Now let us find out if this is a dual SIM or a single SIM. Now, as you can see here guys, this is a dual SIM. Now let us talk about the display of the Honor 200 Pro. Para sa kanyang display guys, it has a 6.7-inch quad curve AMOLED screen display. So of course guys, as you know, I really love the AMOLED screens. So dito sa ating Honor 200 Pro, meron siyang AMOLED screen display. So bakit nga ba mas maganda ang mga AMOLED screen displays? Maganda ang AMOLED screen display because it gives you a greater range of colors, giving you a more vibrant and better looking images or video. At isa pa dito guys is meron siyang 120Hz screen refresh rate. So kapag 120Hz kasi guys, napaka-good siya lalo na when it comes to gaming or just by using your phones. At para sa kanyang resolution guys, it has a Full HD Plus 2700 by 1224 resolution. Now let us talk about the performance of the Honor 200 Pro. So for its processor guys, it has a Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. So dito guys ay napakaganda, napaka-solid nitong Snapdragon na to guys. Kasi nga itong Snapdragon processor niya guys, it can handle multitasking. And it also give you a more faster and better performance. Lalong-lalo na when it comes to gaming. So mamaya nating pag-usapan palalo ang kanyang gaming kasi mayroon tayong section para dyan. So dito sa ating Honor 200 Pro guys is napakalaki ang storage na meron dito kasi meron siyang 12GB RAM with 512GB of ROM. So sa mga gamers dyan, sa mga mahilig mag-pictures, mag-video, hindi na kayo malulugi dito kasi napakasulit nito when it comes to the processor, when it comes to the camera, when it comes to the storage, napaka-perfect ito. And now guys, let us talk about the speakers of the Honor 200 Pro. So yes guys, may papag-usapan tayo sa kanyang speaker kasi hindi lang siya ordinary speaker ang meron dito. Meron tayo ditong dual speakers. So saan nga ba makikita tong dual speakers na to? So dito sa dual speakers guys, so of course guys, meron tayong makikitang speaker dito sa baba and another speakers when you look here on the top. Yan yung ating speaker guys. So it has a dual speakers. So another good thing dito guys is dahil nga mayroon siyang dual speakers, you can experience up to 200% extra volume. So you can enjoy a more immersive sound effects with a maximum volume up to 200%. And now let's talk about the IP of the Honor 200 Pro. Para sa kanyang IP guys, meron siyang IP65 dust and water resistant. So again guys, para sa ating mga newcomers dito sa ating channel, IP stands for Ingress Protection. Sa itong Ingress Protection, ito yung makukuha mong protection against dust and water particles. At eto na guys, sa mga gamers out there, if you're planning to buy a new phone, eto na ang sagot sa inyong paghahanap guys. Dahil dito sa ating Honor 200 Pro, as I have said kanina, meron siyang Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. Na kung saan, thanks to the Snapdragon processor guys, once again, makakaranas na naman tayo ng isang napakagandang gameplay. So mga games na pwede natin ilaro dito guys is kahit like legit, kahit mga demanding games, okay na okay dito sa ating Honor 200 Pro, lalong-lalo na ang mga Genshin Impact, PUBG, COD, Mobile Legends, at madami pang iba. At kahit iset nyo pa yan sa highest settings, sa highest frame rate, sa highest graphics, okay na okay dito sa ating Honor 200 Pro guys. No worries when it comes to gaming and no worries when it comes to delays or any lags.
The electrical discharge caused by friction is really a little less shocking than love at first
It is
sight.
very well equipped for gaming guys. Now let us talk about the battery of the Honor 200 Pro. So for its battery naman guys, it has a 5,200 mAh battery. At dito sa ating Honor 200 Pro guys, pwedeng-pwede ito siya sa ating mga wireless and wired chargers. So dito guys, kapag mag-charge tayo sa mga wired, sa mga nakasaksak na charger, it has a 100 watts supercharge. At kapag naman sa mga wireless naman na mga chargers or mga wireless power banks, it has a 66 watts wireless supercharge. Na kung saan dito naman guys sa 100 watts supercharge, you can charge up to 50% in just 15 minutes. At kapag sa mga wireless chargers naman or wireless power banks, you can charge up to 64% in just 30 minutes. And now guys, sa ating mga vloggers dyan or sa mga mahilig mag-pictures or mag-videos, we will now talk about its camera. So for its camera guys, this is the portrait master guys. So ngayon naman is pag-uusapan natin itong triple main cameras niya. So unang-unang camera guys is syempre the main camera. So for its main camera guys, it has a 50MP portrait main camera. And it also has a 50MP telephoto camera. Na kung saan itong telephoto camera guys, itong 50MP telephoto camera niya guys, meron ito siyang OIS feature. So para sa inyong karagdagang kaalaman, itong OIS, it stands for Optical Image Stabilization. And thanks to the OIS guys, dahil nga sa sinabi ko, Optical Image Stabilization, kahit shaky or kahit naka-zoom in tayo, like super max na zoom in, hindi nyo kailangang mag-alala sa kanyang shaking guys, kasi it has an optical image stabilization. So thanks to the optical image stabilization guys, mas magiging stable ang ating picture taking and also video takings. Lalong-lalo na kapag naka-zoom in tayo, like yung super max na zoom in, you don't have to worry kasi it has an optical image stabilization. So mas magiging stable ang ating mga images and videos. And for the last sa kanyang triple camera guys, we have the 12MP ultra wide and macro camera. And now for the front camera guys, we have a 50MP selfie camera. So dito sa kanyang pag-video guys, it can handle 4K recording. So napakaganda nito guys kasi hindi lang siya 1080p kundi 4K pa siya guys. So napaka high definition ang kanyang pagtitake ng videos. Dahil kaya niya nga i-support ang 4K video recording. And now I will show you some videos and photos that we took during our year-end party. I will also be featuring the place that we stayed, which is the Tramonte Seaside Farm, located in Quezon, Palawan.
So ito po ang kanyang front cam ng ating Honor 200 Pro.
Tapos dyan kasi mayroon pa tayong i-explore ng mga features dito kay Honor 200 Pro. And another feature na naman guys is yung AI imaging. So dito sa AI imaging guys, included na dito ang AI erase, AI group photo enhance, and also the AI bokeh adjust. So dito sa AI imaging guys, i-highlight ko lang dito yung mga nagustuhan kong features. So dito sa AI erase, ito talaga yung pinakagusto ko kasi I think naman lahat naman tayo nakakapag-relate kapag may mga photo bombers sa likod natin. So dito sa AI erase, hindi mo na kailangang pag-isipan yung mga photo bombers kasi dito sa AI erase, you can easily erase those photo bombers with the AI erase. So dito simply just circle those photo bombers and say goodbye to those photo bombers. And lastly, sa kanyang additional features guys is yung air gesture. So itong air gesture guys, nagawa ko to sa Realme. So nagulat din ako dahil meron din pala dito kay Honor 200 Pro. So it also has an air gesture feature guys. Na kung saan, hindi mo na kailangan mag-touch para lang makapag-scroll ka. Kasi you can now scroll down and up by just flicking your hand. And another thing that you can do with the air gesture feature is you can also take screenshots. Just place the palm of your hand in front of the camera and pull it backwards as if you're grabbing something. So that is all guys for today's video. So if you're planning to buy a new phone sa mga phone enthusiasts dyan, sa mga gaming enthusiasts, or sa mga vloggers, eto na ang perfect phone para sa inyo. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Go to the store and buy the Honor 200 Pro right now. That is all for today's video guys. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now see you on the next video. Bye!